How's it going, everybody? Tyler Schwartz here, bringing you another Tyler Teaches, where I teach you some of my favorite tricks and steps. Not really necessarily teaching you a trick or step today. I just wanted to explain something very important with potentially some of the steps I might be putting out in the videos to come. But that's the differences between a knee and a cut. And some people will be like, what does that even mean? Because I know what a knee is, but what's a cut? You know, but we'll explain it further shortly. It's super important. So when we're learning steps, sometimes those two tricks, they're so similar that you can easily fall into the gray area between the two. And that's where you don't want to be. So just wanted to explain that difference in this one. I think it's a very valuable one. But yeah, let's dive into it. So when we're talking about a knee and a cut, so we've learned in the slip jig that should provide like a link to the slip jig. But we learned in the slip jig that a knee is like a tabletop, well actually the jig as well. The slip jig and the jig. That tabletop knee, when we do a knee, when we bring it up to a knee, we want that knee in line with our belly buttons, centered here and turned out with our foot so that we can present that foot properly. If we overdo it here, then there's only so much we can turn that foot out. Or if it's this way, then we're leaving a lot of gaps in our knee area and all that. We want to close off that space. So we want that knee here. So that's our knee. Now, when we're doing a cut, so a cut would be here. This is a cut, and this is a knee. Cut and knee. And if you might be seeing some of the differences there. It looks very similar. So if somebody went like cut 2, 3, 4, 5, it'd be like what 2, 3, 4, 5. A knee 2, 3, 4, 5 would be not too far off from that. What can happen sometimes is though something happening like this, where up 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's somewhere over here. It's harder to tell whether this was supposed to be a cut or a knee or what it, you know, we can fall into that gray area very easily. And this is something that, again, this is coming from my experience with Irish dancing. It may be similar or different to how you've learned it in your own studio or wherever you're picking it up. This is something that really helped me understand the difference. So hopefully it helps you. What I see as the major difference is the placement of this knee, actually. Because there's a placement to the knee in a cut. When we're doing a cut, this knee stays right in spot. It acts almost like a, what would you say, like a fulcrum? Like a point, like a pivoting joint that stays in spot. And then the rest of your leg comes up. Ideally up to your hip or wherever, however high you can bring that. Yeah, so if it's on the left, that knee stays here. It doesn't come up with the knee. We keep that knee down so that we can have that visual over here. Now when we're doing a knee, then we bring that knee up as high as we can. That knee is on full display and it's right to that knee. It's awesome. But when we do a cut, we keep that knee nice and low. So again, cut and knee. Cut and knee. Pretty good. So that's a really good thing to practice, actually, is to just go through what's the cut, up to the knee, up to the cut, up to the knee, up to the cut, up to the knee. And if you wanted to take it further, you could actually go across the stage and incorporate the 2, 3, 4, 5 of our slip jig and go cut 2, 3, 4, 5, knee 2, 3, 4, 5, cut 2, 3, 4, 5, knee 2, 3, 4, 5. But yeah, really quick video, but I thought it was super important to explain that because we've done a lot of cuts and a lot of knees on this channel, and I wanted to quickly explain the difference between the two so that I had something to send y'all to if I needed to explain it further. So here's the explanation. Again, it's the knee that stays in spot for a cut, and when we do a knee, we bring it straight up. Again, tabletop. So we don't want, like, if we had a plate of food, we wouldn't want that to slide off. So we bring that knee all the way up. and there's our knee. And again, there's our cut. Cool? Pretty straightforward, pretty simple video, but I thought it'd be a fun one to explain. I hope you enjoyed that. Be on the lookout for more videos coming ahead. Again, subscribe, like the videos. Thank you all for your support, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.
Huge shout out and thank you to everyone who's taken their support of this channel to the next level, either by becoming a patron over on Patreon or becoming a member of the channel. For more information about how you can support the channel more, check the description below the video. Thanks and have a good one.